may do prime shadow trading kami how to avail. Mag-add ka lang ng kapital mo. Example, mayroon ka ng shadow. Tapos gusto mong mag-Izanagi. Okay, so gagawin mo lang dyan is mag-add ka ng account. Mag-add ka lang ng account sa do prime mo. Tapos, magpapasa ka lang ng form. Ganun lang siya. Ayan. So, here, pasa ka lang ng form. Gawa ka ng bagong MT4 and then, pasa ka lang, pasa ka. Dapat may laman na fund. Kasi pag walang naman na fund yun, hindi ka namin tatanggapin. Ay, i-disapprove ng admin yun. So, gawa ka lang ng sent account, add additional account, and then, bibigyan ka ng video paano for Izanagi Oddcat. Okay? So, kung meron ka ng do prime account, may capital na yun, then you can add. Baka di kayo naglalagay ng stop loss. Kasi ang strategy niya, smart cost averaging. Okay? So, kung may stop loss, it's a different strategy. Pero, you can do your Izanagi with the cut loss. Alright? So, if may kilala kang trader na nagsabi, ang pangit ng Izanagi kasi walang stop loss, hinga mo ng portfolio. May 5 years performance ka ba? Kung wala, mas tanga yung strategy niya. Tama-tama. Diba? Ganun lang naman yun eh. For me, it's all about how long your strategy is working for you. For me, a strategy will always lead to results. And how long the result is, how big the capital is. Kasi pwede kong sabihin na effective yung strategy ko pero hindi naman ako tinatamaan psychologically. $1,000 lang, $200 lang. Pero if you're talking about 20 million, 30 million, tapos strategy mo, same. Tapos drawdown mo mababa, that strategy is effective. Kahit $200 yung capital mo, hindi nasunog, tapos 5 years, mas maniniwala ako doon.